Okay, first thing, let's get all these buttons working so that we can see if our web browser actually works. Then the rest of it is just window dressing. So the first one we already did was go back. And the code that we put in was webbrowser1.goback. The next one we'll put in will be forward. And that code is webbrowser1.goforward. After that, we'll put in a stop. The one after that we'll put in a refresh. So these four buttons take care of go back, go forward, stop, and refresh. This is our address bar where the user will type in his web address. And this is the go button. We're going to code the go button now to make sure that when they actually do type this in and click it, it goes to the website. Code for that is webbrowser1.navigate, and then you have to tell it where to get the information to navigate to, and that is, in my program, toolstrip text box 1. You may have it differently, and the property we're looking at is text. So if you've done everything right, when you start up your program and you type in google.com and then you hit your button for go, it should go right to Google and everything is good. Alright, now the only other buttons that I have up here for now is a home button. If you want to designate a particular page as a home button, webbrowser1.go home. And maybe you also saw in there that there was other ones that you could come up with, which are fairly easy to figure out because it gives you the whole list. You can go to a search site, so if you wanted to add a search engine, you could do that. And then there are whole bunches of other properties which you guys can look at later and figure out how to work with them. So you can create controls, do streaming, ActiveX, all sorts of things. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. But that pretty much is how you code each of your buttons and make it actually work.